steady. Let's go, see. Come there, you're in. Yes, that's it, good boy.
He's like, what's that?
Oh, what is that?
Mum.
That's it.
Good man.
What's this?
Get the octopus.
You don't like toys, do you?
Oh,
I'll have a sniff.
I wanted him to pick it up
Yeah.
just to prove you wrong.
Any squeaky ones?
Yeah.
The octopuses do squeak, but just not very loudly. They're a bit like...
What have we got up here, mate?
So many toys. The octopuses do squeak, just they're a bit pathetic.
What is this? This is filled up with water though, don't squeak that though. Right, let's say look.
He's like, no, I don't want it. Rubbish.
Ready, steady, let's go. Rap's going down, rap's going down. We've got to step off. That's it, perfect.
Super swimming. No. Just like, no, your toys are all rubbish, I don't want to.
No, I'll come back for a cuddle though.
Yeah.
Have a little
Cuddle time.
Yeah, mate. Oh. Who?